Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time joining us, do me a favor and hit that like button, but also guys, hit the subscribe button. On my channel, I do affiliate marketing. I actually teach people how to get started with affiliate marketing. These are beginner-friendly programs that I'm using, and the one that we're focusing on today is actually a program called HBA. We're on video 6 today, and as you can see right here, this is what I've been able to make the last 30 days with this program. And if you look up here, it shows you my total commissions of just over $72,000, almost $73,000, and that's only since July, guys. So that's about 4 months, and we're already at almost $80,000 with this program. So this is a very easy program to use. It's a very simple, straightforward setup that we have here. So if you guys are if this is your first time here watching this video or on my channel, do me a favor, go over to the very first video number 1, and that's going to show you guys a little bit more about this program, how you guys can get started with it, and then you guys can literally just jump into the training and go day by day and start following along. This works very, very well. I've been using this myself for quite a while and it works great. Okay, so again, if this is your first time watching, go over to that first video, jump in. And if you guys are wondering how to get started once you do get to that first video, in the video description, so that is actually right directly underneath this video or underneath the first video, even whichever one, you're going to find a little box that you can click on and it'll open up, and there'll be a link there at the very top that says click here to get started. That link is going to be what you guys use to sign up and then jump right into this training and follow along. This is great training. Again, you know, I make a lot of money with this, doing this exactly how you guys are going to be doing it. So go jump in and then you guys can jump into this training. We're going to actually start with our video 6 today. So for today's video, guys, the same thing. We're going to be jumping into MLGS here. You guys know the routine. This is kind of what we're trying to build up right now. We want to build up these leads and actually start getting these emails sent every single day, because the more that we have, look at how fast this grows. If we look at my MLGS account, let me just log out real quick. It probably timed out, and then I'll log back in. But let's just check out my account and see where we're at for leads. On this account, I have over 55,900 leads. That's how many people, those are people, right? Those are each people that I am emailing every single day. But the thing is, I have 5 of these accounts, okay? So with 5 accounts, you can imagine how many emails we're sending out every day. And at this point, I bring sales in every single day with this, right? Just using this, that's it. That's all I have to do. It takes 10 minutes every day. We send it out, send out those emails, and I show you guys how to write the emails. So let's jump into that portion of it right now. Make sure you're back on your affiliate dashboard. You guys don't know how to get there from your first video. Of course, you guys know how to get there. We're on video 6. So we're just going to go down here to the all-in-one $25 business sales letter. We're going to click this button right here to open it. And this is, of course, the page that we're sending people to. So something that I can mention here for you guys, if you guys get all the way through this, you can always just go back up to the top and redo all your emails again. Just keep creating more with this. But you can also watch this video. This video has 28 minutes of people talking, okay? And you can start taking stuff out of what they're saying as well. If they say something that's different on this page, that's fine. But anything that's relatable to this, because when people click on the link in the email, they're going to come over to this page. And from this page, if we have that same verbiage in our email, then it's going to make sense to people. Even if they hear the video and they match that up with what they've read, that does a lot. It makes a lot better. But also, it does wonders for your email server. And that's what we're on here, right? We have our own email server that we're sending emails with. That's what we paid for when we got MLGS. We paid for that and the leads that we generate every single day. So they do this for us, right? We've already bought this for $30. It's $1 a day is what we're paying for one account. $5 a day for 5 accounts, but we're getting 1,000 leads with 5 accounts a day, and they're generating those leads. And these leads are people that are wanting to use this system and want to buy this, right? So let's jump in and do the emailing here again. So in the last video, we were right around here when we were finding some emails. I think we came right down here. Let's look what else we have to work with. Okay. let's do this. Earn income whether working, playing, or sleeping. Let's copy that. We're going to go over here to our document because we want to open up a Google Doc, and we're type in subject and body like usual. Now let's go up to the subject line and we're going to paste this in. We'll just change that to a capital. Earn income whether working, playing, or sleeping. That's perfect. So let's go this. Think about your cell phone company. We'll read this in just a second. Let's just do a long form with this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna copy all of this. And a lot of people like really long emails. Generally, I stick with the shorter ones myself, but every once in a while it's good to like throw in a longer email. And we will separate this right here. We just like to clean it up a bit so that the email doesn't look too crowded or anything and looks clean. There we go. So it's looking good now, and then we'll read it here real quick. Almost there. And we actually had this on the last email, but this is going to be fine, especially if they read the last email. And I really like this this term that they use here. So let's read this real quick. Think about your cell phone company for a minute. Think about how often they are working to get your money. Sure, when you're not their customer, they work to get the sale, but what happens when you are their customer? How often do you hear from them? My guess is never. Yet they continue to profit from you month after month and most likely year after year. They put in the work one time to get you as a customer, and then they sit back and collect the easy monthly payment for years and even for life. This monthly income that continues to come in without any extra effort is what is called residual income. It's what we like to call the magic income stream, or more lovingly, freedom money. So even though we had this end section in the last email, it really doesn't matter. It's going to seem like, hey, we're still on the same page. So this is going to work just fine. And then let's just go ahead and down here we'll put click for your own magic income stream. Regards. Just like that. That's going to be perfect. So now we need to go get a link, of course, to add. So we're going to go over here to our affiliate dashboard on SamCard. We're just going to come and copy our link right here next to the all-in-one $25 business sales letter. We'll copy that back over here, and let's just paste that into where we want our link, right? We're going to highlight it, right click, hit insert link, paste in our link, and click apply. Now it's all ready to send, right? So now we can just head back over to MLGS, click on mailing system. We can select our leads. We'll head back over here and grab our subject line. Copy that. Back to the mailing system. Paste it in. Scroll down here. Delete the body. Grab the body of our email. Copy it. And hit Control V to paste it in. Then click perfect timing, and bam, there'll be a little send button right down here, right in the bottom right. You'll see it right here. You'll see a little send button. Okay. Mine's already sent for the day. You can see that I've already sent it, so can't send it again. We can only send these every 24 hours. Let's see here. I'll show you how to do one more. So one more, of course, you go up here, you right click, hit duplicate, go down here to where it says account, hit log out, log in with your second account, of course, because if you remember what I keep saying over and over again, this really works nicely with 5 accounts, but a minimum of 2 or 3, I would say, is where you really want to be at with this system, okay? We're going to hit select all. We're going to scroll down here to the body since we already have it saved. Hit Control V to paste it in. Might as well click perfect timing while we're down here, but we still got to add our subject line. So let's go back to this first one, copy our subject line, go back over here to the second one, paste it in the subject, double check from the top. We've selected our lead, we have our subject in, we have the body of our email in, it has our name, it has a link, it has perfect timing, and bam, we'll hit this little send button that's down here in the right hand corner, okay? That's going to be it for the day, everybody. I hope you guys are doing well. I know by now some of you are already getting sales. I've already been informed of this, so this is great to see. But, don't let this get you down if you haven't yet, because this is a long-term program, right? This is something we're trying to build for the rest of our lives so that we can have everything that we want to have in our lives. And whether these, it comes tomorrow or in 3 months, it doesn't really matter, because what we're doing now is building. Right now, we are building our future, and that's what we should be looking forward to. Thanks a lot for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you're notified by any of my new videos that drop. There's probably a lot coming here that you guys are going to love and fall in love with and be able to use. Thanks a lot again for watching. If you guys got anything out of this video, leave me a like, and I will talk to you guys next time.